All right, friends, today we're going to be talking about multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers. Remember, positive and negative numbers are called integers when we're talking about real numbers. All right, grab your notebooks. You're going to want to take these notes. Here are your notes. If they have the same sign, they are positive. If they have different signs, they are negative. I love multiplying and dividing negative and positive numbers because it doesn't really change a whole lot. It's just if they have the same sign, they're positive. If they have different signs, they are negative. So let's talk about that. So let's say that we've got this guy right here. All right, so grab your notebook. We're gonna do some practice problems right here. Let me zoom on in here so you can see that a little bit better. All right, we're gonna find each product. Remember, product means multiply. So as I mentioned, if they are the same sign, our answer is going to be positive. Can't write today. There we go. If they are different signs, it's negative. Same signs, positive. Different signs, negative. Different signs, negative. Same signs, positive. Different signs, negative. Same signs, positive. So hopefully you've got that down. And then all you have to do is the actual math part. So 3 times 1, we're going to get 3. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 1 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 10 is 40. And 8 times 5 is 45. I know you guys know your multiplication tables by now, right? If you do not, you need to at least learn your perfect squares, like 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4. Oh my gosh, it'll make life so much easier. Okay, so that's multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers. Let's talk about rational numbers, meaning fractions, right? So let's talk about these rational numbers here. You'll see that we have a positive and a negative. So different signs here, which means we're going to have a negative answer. Same signs, 2 negatives, positive answer. Different signs, negative. Different signs, negative. Now we just have to do the math part. Remember, when we're multiplying these guys, we want to turn them into improper fractions. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. So we have 10 over 3 times, and I already know my answer is going to be negative, so I'm not worrying about the signs. 2 over 1. Is there anything I can cross cancel? Nope. So multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom, I get 20 over 3. So my answer is negative 20 over 3. All right, let's look at this guy right here. If we turn this one, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. 9 over 4 times 3 over 2. Again, I already know the answer, so I'm not going to worry about my negative signs. I already know the sign for my answer, so I'm not going to worry about the signs right now. Can I cross cancel anything? Nope. So 27 over 8, negative 27 over 8. And like I said, leave it as an improper fraction. Unless it's like a word problem and it makes more sense to be a mixed number, or you have to graph it and you need to know where it goes, because then you got to turn it into a mixed number. Okay, so I think you get the idea on those. I'm not going to do the last two. Let's talk about dividing. Guess what? It's the same rule. Same signs. We've got different, I'm sorry, same signs, we've got positive. Different signs, we've got negative. I don't know why I was expecting a response from you on that. Well, hopefully you said it. Hopefully you said it to yourself. Okay, different signs means different signs. Different signs means negative. Same signs, positive. Same signs, positive. Same signs, positive. Different signs, different signs, different signs, same signs. And then you have to do the actual math part. Again, learn your multiplication tables. It'll make life easier. 42 divided by 6, we get 7. 90 divided by 10. I showed this in a fraction video earlier, but remember, dividing is really just fractions. You can always lob zeros off, so it's just 9 over 1, which is just 9. 36 divided by 4, we get 9. 36 divided, 9 again, but just a different, so actually the same answer. I didn't even catch that. Okay, 12 divided by 2, we get negative 6. I'm sorry, 12 divided by negative 2 gives us negative 6. And 48 divided by negative 6 gives us negative 8. So I think you get the idea on those ones. All right, let's talk about some fractions here. Remember, we never divide. We never divide fractions. We multiply by the reciprocal. So like in the case down here, 1/2 divided by 1/6, we get 1/2 times 6 over 1. Multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. You get 6 over 2, and 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. Remember, we could have cross-canceled 1 divided by 2 times 6 over 1. Divide by 2, I get 1. Divide by 2, I get 3. And that would give me 3 over 1, which is just 3. So either method will work. Let's talk about this guy. 4 divided by negative 1 and 1/5. Again, different signs means it's going to be a negative. So 4 over 1 divided by 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6, so 6 over 5. Except we never divide fractions. We multiply by, we multiply by the reciprocal. We don't change that first one. Don't change that first one. I don't know why I almost did that. Times the reciprocal of 6 over 5 is 5 over 6. And I see an opportunity for us to cross cancel. I can divide a 2 out of here and get 2. Divide 2 here, I get 3. So multiply straight across the top, I get 10. Multiply straight across the bottom, I get 3. Come back up here. Remember, I know positive times a negative is a negative, so I get negative 10 over 3. All right. Hopefully this helps you guys. If you have any questions, let your teacher know. Otherwise, great work, and we'll see you next time.